How to log in Auswide Bank online banking account. Welcome everyone. Today we'll be guiding you through the process of logging into your Auswide Bank online banking account. Auswide Bank offers a seamless and secure platform for managing your finances. And we are here to help you get started, and let's dive in. To begin, open your preferred web browser in your device. In the search bar, you can type on Auswide Bank and hit enter. Tap on the official internet banking link from the list results. You'll be directed to the official web page of Auswide Bank. Locate the login button on the top right side of the screen. Click on it, you'll be taken to the login page. Here you can enter your client number and access code. After entering your credentials, you can tap on login button to access your account. If you are new to Auswide Bank, you can register for an account by clicking on the register now button. If you have forgotten your access code, you can click on forgot your access code link from assistance. And there you have it. That's everything you needed to know about logging into your Auswide Bank online banking account. With just few simple steps, you'll have access to manage your finances conveniently and securely.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.